Namaste, I am Vandana. Welcome to my channel Vandana Dubey Home Cooked Food. Today I teach you potato curry. This is the boiled potato. In Hindi we call bhandare wali sabji, and this is the very famous in India. Whenever we have some religion things like any puja, any ceremony, like sometime people organize read the holy book Ramayana. When we finish the Ramayana and we have the bhandara. Bhandara means is the offering the prasad, some offering the food for some special people like holy people or some friends, family. So we make this potato curry. So why I call this religion things? Because we don't use the onion, garlic. So when we cook the offering food for the goddesses, always we without onion and garlic. So today I teach you this recipe. This is the potato, like 7-8 potato I have. I already boil and peel it. This is the fresh coriander. At the end we add this fresh coriander. Tomato puree I already make it. So there is the 4 to 5 tomato, 1 inch ginger, 1 green chili, 1 red chili. And this is spices I use. This is the salt, and there is the coriander powder, 2 teaspoon, half teaspoon turmeric, half teaspoon red chili powder, garam masala 1 teaspoon, half teaspoon mango powder. And this is the spices here. Asafoetida. In this recipe I use little bit extra asafoetida, half a teaspoon asafoetida, black peppercorn crust, black pepper, and this is the anna seed, cumin seed, mustard seed. There is also 2 more spices. There is the bay leaves and just little cinnamon is also. When I add and I show you the. So first we heat the oil wok and then oil, mustard oil. So this recipe we don't add the onion, garlic, so we not use much oil, just 1.5 tablespoon oil, 1.5 tablespoon mustard oil. Friends, I make this recipe without onion, garlic, but if you like to add the onion, garlic, you can add the onion, garlic also. This is your choice. But in my family, people enjoy, everyone in my family member, they enjoy the without onion, garlic this recipe, and this is the very yummy. I hope you try. Please watch my video, and if you like my video, so please like and subscribe my channel. So now oil get hot. I add the spices. See, there is the bay leaves. This is the bay leaves I added. Not much, just little, like a half bay leaves, and also the cinnamon. Cinnamon also I use just pinch of cinnamon, like a stick, the small stick I use the cinnamon. Very strong flavor cinnamon have, so not use much. When the spices turn to golden brown, I add this tomato, ginger and chili paste. Please try this recipe. If you have not other spices like bay leaf, cinnamon or some other spices, then you just use the cumin also. If you have no asafoetida, it's not important. This is we cook just 2 or 3 minutes. So tomato we not cook longer, just 2-3 minutes. So my tomato is cooked now. I add the spices, coriander, turmeric, chili powder. I don't add red chili much because I already add when I make a tomato puree, and I added green chili, red chili. Also I add the black peppercorn, that one also very strong. Ginger is also very strong. And now I add the salt, and this is the 1.5 teaspoon salt. So this is the potato, and this is I just clean. Two big cup water I use it. Add in the potato, and I just make a small pieces of the potato. So like mash, like this. Sorry, I use the hand, but my hand is very clean. Indian food, when we use the hand like this, more flavor is come. Like people say, sometimes they eat the lunch or dinner and they say your hand have the flavor. So this is the flavor, you know. So just make a small pieces like this. I make this is gravy one, soupy one. So I add the 2 big cup water. And if you like dry one, then not add the water and just add the potato, mashed potato, and cook. I give you one tip for this recipe. This is take long time to cook. I think 15 minutes. Sometimes time is up and down also. 15 minutes. And I will tell you, if you like to cook quick this recipe, you use the boiling water. Boil the water one side and then add it. So just take 6-7 minutes. But I have lots of time, so I add the just normal water. And now I just leave it like that and cook for the 15 minutes in medium heat. So now my potato curry is ready. I just switch off the gas and I add mango powder and garam masala at the same time, and fresh coriander. So this is 2 full hand coriander I added. A very nice flavor is come. So my potato bhandare wali sabji is ready. I hope everyone like and try in your home. This is very, very yummy. In India, this is very famous. The bhandare wali sabji is very, very famous. Thank you so much, friend. I hope you like this video. Namaste, everyone.